What's going on, guys? I am Watch Share Go, and today is Western Express Rally 2017 Day 2. Today is the day the Dime Racing build on the Huracan kills the car for, almost 3 to 4 months. So join in as we run Mulholland. I'm driving a C7 Z06 Corvette. Vehicle Virgins is driving his VF supercharged Huracan. Brian's in the Dime Racing Huracan. The Dime car started having problems while we were on Mulholland, and the Corvette went into limp mode after that. Of course, it's a Z06 Corvette. They all go into limp mode. And shortly after that, when we were outside of Vegas, the Huracan died forever. So we waited another hour, 2 hours, put it on a flatbed, and took a tow truck to Vegas instead of a Huracan. That is a turn of events. Tow trucks are quite a bit different inside than Lamborghini Huracans. Enjoy. Here we go. You saw me too soon. I was taking too long in the shower. Brian's got the whole car wiped down. It is. When it idles down. Idle 11 came to hang out. We are in Pop Pop City. All right, it's the last day of Express Rally. We're out here, Lamborghini of Las Vegas. We got everybody with us. We got Brian right there. You can see we won. We've got Jonathan's Huracan right there. Rob Dom, Brian's Diablo, always cool to see. And Brian Casella's car. I gotta turn all the way around, but it's the blue one right there. You saw the wrap just went on it. Beautiful color. It's got, the sticker price is $500. I'm sure that's what Brian paid. So, we've got a lot of cars that all finished the rally. It took them a little longer, but here we are. It's been a great time. Looking forward to the next Express Rally. All right, we're not gonna see this again for a while, so I'm saying goodbye to this one here. These.
You gonna peel all the stickers off of it?
Yeah, it's going to you somewhere.
It's not going back to Kansas?
It's not going back to Dime Racing.
They're the ones that messed it up?
Yes.
Oh, they are?
Yep. At least my high quality decals are super easy to pull off. This amazing ceramic coating. Thanks again, Kelly. It's also really hard to stick them on. Oracal 751. 12 years, 10 years. No problems. Problem solved. No more of that. Goodbye, poor Lamborghini. It's actually really sad. A story for the ages, though. Stack them. And that is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.